And I'm back, live at the blizzard of 2011. Let me tell you, I almost didn't make it after that terrible building collapse a little bit earlier tonight. But I am back, and I am gonna keep coming out here and giving you weather updates. Right now, as it stands, this blizzard is blowing snow like never before. I can't believe the snow. Right now, we have at the very least a 10-foot snow drift behind me. Yes, barely can get in the house. Look at the whole building is just covered in snow, and look at this pile. What are we gonna do? Holy cow! It's gonna be a long night, and I hope we don't lose power. At the very least, I'll tough it out as long as I can unless I freeze to death. So this is Michael Grudecki signing off for now, saying the Chicago blizzard of 2011, signing out.